You are going to love the 2016 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, power steering, voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front, center, power brakes, power windows, heated steering wheel, compass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.